Hello, thanks for joining me. This is just a quick little video to show you what I've just made. It's a pouring teacup. Don't look at the mess on my desk, I haven't tidied it yet. We have a beautiful little red cup pouring flowers onto a red saucer. That's the side. We have lots of pearls, and the main pour has, underneath all these, has got some diamantes crystals. You can't really see them. They're there. We have lots of pearls and flowers. It's my first one and I'm very chuffed with it. The saucer is covered with doilies and some beautiful flowers. Lots of fun to do, absolutely lots of fun to do, and I will make more. Let me know what you think.